The world is waiting. Your budget-friendly adventure starts now. Imagine yourself amidst breathtaking landscapes, the scent of adventure in the air, and a heart brimming with wanderlust. Now, imagine experiencing all of this without breaking the bank. Traveling the world doesn't have to remain a distant dream. In this video, we're uncovering 7 tips to travel the world without emptying your piggy bank. So, buckle up and get ready to turn your travel dreams into reality. Timing is everything. The off-peak advantage. Traveling during off-peak seasons is like discovering a hidden treasure chest of savings. Not only will you find airfares and accommodations at a fraction of the cost, but you'll also enjoy a more intimate and authentic experience. Unlocking flight deals, your secret weapon revealed. There's a whole universe of flight apps out there, each with its own superpowers for sniffing out the best deals. Flexibility is key when it comes to flights. Traveling on weekdays or exploring alternative airports can unlock significant savings. Home away from home. Embracing alternative accommodations. Hostels and Airbnb offer budget-friendly and unique experiences. Imagine waking up in a sun-drenched loft in Paris or enjoying tea on a Tuscan villa balcony. These options often come with kitchens, allowing you to save by preparing some of your meals. Experience the heart and soul of a destination without spending a fortune. Think exploring local markets, wandering through charming neighborhoods, and striking up conversations with locals. Many destinations offer free walking tours, museum days with discounted entry, and outdoor concerts or film screenings. The Budget Whisperer. Creating a spending plan. You'll love. Start by setting a realistic budget for your trip, considering all essentials. Break it down into daily or weekly spending limits and track your expenses. Prioritize experiences that matter to you and find creative ways to save in other areas. A culinary adventure. Eating where the locals dine. Skip the tourist traps and venture into family-run restaurants with handwritten menus. Embrace street food for a delicious and budget-friendly way to experience local cuisine. Peace of mind. The importance of travel insurance. Travel insurance is your guardian angel, providing peace of mind in case of unexpected hiccups. It's a small investment that can save you a world of trouble and expense. The world awaits. Bon voyage, my dears. 7 tips to empower you to travel the world on a budget. Traveling the world is about the richness of experiences you embrace. Go forth and embrace the world with open arms and adventurous spirits. Safe travels, and may your adventures be legendary.